So today I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Slides for a lesson. So my lesson is going to be over the letters of the alphabet. So I'm going to move my cursor over here to where it says title, and I'm going to double tap. Then I'm going to type letters of the alphabet. But then I'm going to, again, highlight all of that. And I'm going to click this little button and make it go to the middle. So then next we are going to want our names. So I'm going to double tap on where it says name, and I'm going to type in my name. So then I'm going to click over here to where it says slide number 2. And for this, I want to insert a song. So normally you can go here and you can click on link. However, that is not working for me. So I'm going to go up here to another tab, and I personally chose YouTube to click on my video. So then I'm going to highlight this. On my computer, I have a MacBook. So I'm going to click Command C. And then I'm going to come back over to Google Slides, and I'm going to click Command V to paste it. So now I'm going to click it with the left side. Oh, I can do it with either, can't I? No. Yeah. So I'm going to... I'm a good teacher. This is not going good. It's fine. So then I will click it, and when I click up here where it has those arrows, I will be able to move it to wherever I want it to go, and I will click a space at the end so that it becomes a link. Okay, so for the next thing, I want to talk about the letter A. On slide number 4, you see that it says apple, so we are going to want to insert an image of an apple. So we're going to go to image, insert, image, then search the web. Then we are going to type in apple clip art. I like this apple, so we're going to go click it, click insert, and boom. Then we are going to click it again to where it has the blue around it. We are going to click the little box and make it a little bit bigger. There we go. So now for slide 5, we are talking about the letter B. So I'm going to click on slide 6 where I have the words written bed and bear. So I am again going to go to insert, image, search the web, and we're going to type in bed clip art. We're going to act like I know how to type. So then I'm going to click that again and click insert. Then we are going to size it however we want it. And do the same thing up here, insert image, search the web, and then do bear. Then we click insert down here, make it the size we want, move it however we want, and there we go. So then if you want, you can click up here and double tap it to title it. So this is already my screen recording lesson, so I'm going to leave it as that. The good thing about Google Slides is everything automatically saves. So if you want to go back to a different version, you can click last edited a second ago, and you can click whatever you need. And whenever you click it, you can click restore this version, and it'll go back to the version that you just selected. To share it, you click share up here. You can type in whosever name you want, or you can click share with FHSU, which is for people who have the link. So I'm going to click that. I am going to click done, and I am all done. Thank you so much.